and welcome. This is my Mark II homemade electric bicycle. Basically I was kind of forced into this after my Mark I was vanished by somebody that probably sold it for scrap or something. But anywho, a few months later I've got it to here. It's basically runs a scooter battery, 240 watts, which run through this plug, which is isolated at the moment. I'm just going to plug it in, and then it runs through this wire through this inverter, 300 watts, which then runs through this plug through, and then through this dimmer switch, which regulates how much power. And then in here is a 600 watt juicer motor, but I can only ever run like about 300 watts through it because of the that's how much power the inverter does. But that's fine because 250 watts is how much the maximum you can legally use on the UK roads. So the motor runs this cog, and then it runs through this gear cog set thing, and then it runs another chain down and up here. All of this was made from like a spare flatback chair that we had, and then it runs off this. Basically, this was a giant castor wheel I got off the internet, which runs off this bin lid, which I've also got off the internet, which I've modified and cable tied to this standard 26-inch wheel. So yeah, that's basically my setup. I estimate that this has a range of about 5 miles, which is fine. The intention is for this to be a hill climber, which would help me on my commute back from Leeds when I can get back to work. But yeah, this is my bicycle, and in a moment you'll see a test of it. In case you're wondering, that beeping is probably telling me that the battery is low. I'm now going to see what it's like when I stop pedaling. There we go. There we go.